Spain, a feast for the senses. Forget the museums, skip the cathedrals. In Spain, the real journey is through your stomach. From sun-drenched coasts to rugged mountains, this country pulsates with culinary energy. Every region, a distinct flavor. Every bite, a revelation. Get ready to indulge. The air itself is seasoned. Spices from the Moorish past mingle with the salty tang of the Mediterranean. Garlic and olive oil, the backbone of countless masterpieces. This isn't just food, it's an experience. Let's dive in. Valencia, the birthplace of paella. A city where tradition and flavor come together in perfect harmony. This isn't just a dish, it's a ritual. A time-honored tradition passed down through generations, each step meticulously followed. A symphony of rice, saffron, seafood and meat cooked over an open fire. Each ingredient playing its part in this culinary masterpiece. The aroma alone is intoxicating. It fills the air, drawing you in, promising a taste of something truly special. Find a seat at Casa Carmela, a place where the essence of Valencia's culinary heritage is celebrated every day. 100 years of tradition, simple tables, no-nonsense service, just pure, unadulterated paella. Here the focus is on the food and nothing else. The rice, perfectly al dente. Each grain cooked to perfection, offering a slight resistance with every bite. Each grain separate and distinct, a testament to the skill and patience of the chef. Mussels, clams, prawns, all bursting with flavor. A squeeze of lemon adds a touch of brightness, enhancing the dish's complexity. A swig of cold beer, the perfect companion to the rich and savory flavors of the paella. This is how paella should be. No frills, just pure, unadulterated flavor. A true celebration of Valencia's culinary heritage. Madrid, a city that never sleeps, especially when it comes to food. The streets are alive with energy, and the aroma of delicious dishes fills the air. Tapas are more than just snacks here, they're a way of life. Each bar offers its own unique twist on these small plates, making every visit a new adventure. Wander through La Latina district as the sun sets. The golden hues of the evening sky create a magical backdrop for your culinary journey. The narrow streets come alive. Bars overflow with locals and tourists alike, all eager to indulge in the city's vibrant food scene. The air buzzes with conversation and laughter. Duck into Casa Lucio, a legendary spot known for its warm atmosphere and exceptional dishes. Order the huevos rotos, a masterpiece of fried eggs and potatoes. The combination is simple yet divine, a true testament to Spanish cuisine. Savor the patatas bravas, crispy potatoes drenched in spicy sauce. Each bite offers a perfect balance of heat and flavor. Don't forget the jamon iberico, sliced paper thin. This delicacy is a must-try, offering a rich, savory taste that lingers on your palate. Each bite an explosion of flavor. The variety and quality of tapas in Madrid are unparalleled, making every meal an unforgettable experience. Wash it down with a glass of Rioja. This is Madrid, where every meal is a celebration of life, culture, and community. Section 4. Gazpacho's Grace in Andalusia. Andalusia, the heart of Spain. The sun beats down, the air shimmers. You need something cool, something refreshing. Enter Gazpacho, a chilled soup made with tomatoes, cucumbers and peppers. It's like a liquid salad, bursting with flavor. Head to Egana Oriza in Seville. Their gazpacho is legendary. Thick, creamy and bursting with the flavors of summer. Dip a spoon in. The coolness washes over you. The flavors dance on your tongue. This is the essence of Andalusian cuisine, simple, fresh, delicious. Section 5. Pinso's Paradise in the Basque Country. The Basque Country, a land of rugged coastlines and even bolder flavors. This region, nestled in the northern part of Spain, is renowned for its unique culinary traditions and vibrant food culture. The landscape itself is a feast for the eyes, with its dramatic cliffs and lush greenery. Here, tapas are called pinsos, and they're an art form. Each pinso is a small yet intricate creation, often skewered with a toothpick, showcasing a blend of textures and flavors that are both surprising and delightful. San Sebastian, the epicenter of this culinary movement. This city is not just a destination, it's a pilgrimage for food lovers from around the world. The streets are alive with the buzz of people hopping from bar to bar, sampling the best pinsos the city has to offer. Bars overflow with miniature masterpieces. Bar Nestor, a must-visit. This iconic bar is famous for its simple yet exquisite offerings, where each pinso tells a story of tradition and innovation. Order the tortilla de patatas, a thick, custardy omelet. This dish, made with potatoes and eggs, is a staple in Basque cuisine and a testament to the beauty of simplicity. Try the guildas, a skewer of olives, anchovies, and peppers. Named after a famous Spanish film character, this pinzo is a perfect balance of salty, tangy, and spicy flavors. Don't miss the texoleta, a thick-cut ribeye steak grilled to perfection. This dish is a carnivore's dream, with its juicy, tender meat and smoky, charred exterior. This is Basque country cuisine at its finest. Bold, innovative, unforgettable. Each bite is a journey through the rich culinary heritage of the region, where tradition meets creativity. Spain, a culinary tapestry woven with tradition, passion, and flavor. Come hungry, leave inspired. The Basque Country is just one chapter in Spain's diverse gastronomic story, inviting you to explore and savor every moment.